Well, good morning. I am here to recap for you what's been going on in Charleston, South Carolina the last couple of days. It is unbelievable. It snowed. And not only did it snow, it snowed. We broke records. There are differing opinions about what the snowfall was in different places, but I believe it was around 7 inches. We broke the record from 1989, which was the record of all time since records started being kept. So we broke the record of all time for Charleston, South Carolina. It has been so cold here this winter, I almost feel like I live up north. I have always told people that we have generally 2 days every winter that the temperatures are below freezing in the daytime. Two. We've had, close to 2 weeks overall this winter that have been cold, like 30s and 40s at least. But here lately, the last several days, it's gotten down into the teens and 20s. And there is so much snow out there you can't see where the road and the driveway are. That never happens here. Ever, never, never. And so the day before this snow started, which the day before was January 2nd, everybody knew it was coming, Winter Storm Grayson, and so they shut down all the schools and the government buildings, and most of the businesses closed before it started snowing and sleeting. Now, it started sleeting at my house when I got up yesterday morning, which I got up late because I knew my daycare kids weren't coming, so it was around 9. It was sleeting, and I was working away on my computer doing bookkeeping for my daycare business, and one of my friends posted on Facebook that it was snowing at her house. Now, she lives in Somerville. I live in North Charleston. So I looked out my window, and it was snow. Big snow. Really, we never seen that here. When I moved here in 1995, I moved from Columbia. My son was almost 4 years old when we moved here. He only saw snow in Charleston one time in his entire childhood, and there was just enough snow on our porch for him to make a snowman about this big. Pitiful little thing. He built this little itty-bitty snowman and put it on the railing of our porch, and that was the extent of his experience with snow. Now, as he got older, we drove to Columbia when it would snow occasionally. It doesn't snow a lot in Columbia, but it snows more than here. The coastal area almost never gets snow. So we have record-breaking snow. The whole area of Charleston has been shut down now for 2 days. It's the second day it quit snowing around dark last night. We're here where I live. Everything is covered with snow. And I put together this little video with pictures that either I took or that I pulled off the news that other people took here in the Charleston area, because this is probably something we're never going to see again. Not in my lifetime anyway. In the entire history, this is the most. Wow! This is Charleston. I just saw a thing on the news of people who were visiting Charleston from Miami. They had never seen snow before, and they come to Charleston where it never snows, and they're running up and down the streets of Charleston in the snow, which is real cool, except it's cold. Goodness, it's cold. And it's going to be cold until next week. It's going to get up to 60, but we never have this kind of cold here. We never do. So that's why the town is shut down. Everybody, Charleston is closed. Have a great day.
Yep, it's snowing in Charleston. Yes, it is. Doesn't happen often. Thank God.